How to create MoneyLion bank account. In this video, I'll show you how to create a MoneyLion bank account quickly and easily. So let's get started. Go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Search for MoneyLion and download the app. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up to begin the account creation process. Provide your full name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. This information is necessary for verifying your identity. Choose a secure password for your MoneyLion account and make sure it's something strong and unique. MoneyLion will ask you to verify your identity. This may involve uploading a photo of a government-issued ID and completing a selfie verification to ensure security. You can link a current bank account or add funds using a debit card to fund your MoneyLion account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Review MoneyLion's terms and conditions and then click on Agree to continue. And after completing all the required fields, click on Submit to finish the process. You'll receive an email or in-app notification once your account is successfully created and verified, and you can now use your MoneyLion account to access its features. And that's it. You've successfully created your MoneyLion bank account, and now you can manage your finances directly from the app. Thanks for watching.